You mean you not do it so much?
Well, it's a process. It will take some time.
Alright, so I run up on the location and see? I get some breakfast from Miss Gwen and some tea. Yeah. But old shop still locked. You just that way?
Miss Bob. What time? 7 a.m. Are you wake me up, you know? Worse I could record and I come and me have to go with me shop.
So now that's why you should have wake earlier. Or make Karim come up my shop.
Karim they at work.
See? He might work earlier than you. Look at you.
Hello, sir. I do class till late last night. I'm tired, so I did not forget my bed. You left your phone.
Thanks for reminding.
Agent Whisper, this is unacceptable.
Alright, Agent. Might look like it could rain on a fall, so
Yeah.
I'll see you.
Be careful.
I will.
Oh, go with me shop.
So what you're saying to me, that these two are what, romantically engaged, married, what? Which one?
Well, I know that if she examines him, it's not looking for anything that's dead.
Even though she could find herself on a table.
Well, we want to provide sufficient cover for her that she doesn't end up like that. But she seems to be really into Tony. Makes me wonder how much about Tony she is privy to. Because, God, they've been together for what? Just over 6 months?
Well, sir, the dossier that you gave us on Tony, I don't see him divulging much information to her in just a little over 6 months.
You're quite right. But we may have found ourselves a real life Beauty and the Beast.
So you're saying that you see her as a way in?
She definitely doesn't seem to fit the profile of somebody who can be bought. I mean, upstanding citizen, studied long and hard with modest means for her doctorate. Nothing in her past that suggests anything. You wonder how she buck up Tony. But recently, there seems to be a couple cracks in the facade of paradise. That's where you come in.
Infiltrate and report?
No, I prefer a more direct approach. You are going to find out, like where she have lunch and stuff every day, and you're going to just happen to be there, and you're going to approach her. How can I put this? You're about to be promoted to the agency's HR manager.
You mean like telling her how great her work is, how efficient she is, how...
And we need someone to protect the integrity of the postmortems, and we have noticed how efficient she has done so in the past.
Wow, great. That's right up my alley. You know, I think I'll be an excellent HR manager.
Yeah, and I think it is going to fit in perfectly with Savage's perception of your future role in the agency. At least...
Pops.
No, but it's my decision.
Oh.
Okay, but you know what you could also tell her? How intelligent and handsome and personable your boss is to work for.
Pops.
For me, I've always had a thing for doctors, you know. You never know you need an aspirin.
All right, Pops. I have my marching orders. Yes. I am going to start marching. I will keep you up to date.
Good. Don't forget to cook lunch for Savage.
Really?